From service animal to loyal companion, dogs really are man's best friend. But could we be their worst enemy? A woman's dog was because she had the Ebola virus. The authorities euthanized the dog because they worried the owner possibly gave him the disease. Nobody.
Courtney Campbell joins us once again to weigh in on this because this is an emotional time with Ebola in the headlines, and a number of people have been affected, have pets. Should we be worried here?
There's two parts to this potential topic, and the first part is, can you potentially give your dog a condition or a disease? Now, this is extraordinarily rare, but there are some examples, and let's just give some examples. If you had ringworm, potentially you could give that to your dog or cat. Obviously, most of the cases, it's in reverse. If you had a really bad staph infection like MRSA or an intestinal bug like Campylobacter, so you absolutely could potentially give your pet some diseases, but they would have to be really old or immunocompromised or really young. But what has dominated the news recently is the Ebola virus. And the reason why this is such a controversial topic and sparks such a spirited debate is because there's a dearth of information out there. And in that vacuum, what fills in there? Opinion, speculation, paranoia. So let's talk about what we do know. And what we do know is this. Dogs can make antibodies to the Ebola virus.
He knows that the dog had Ebola, but can your beloved pet carry such a deadly disease?
What it means is that their body is reacting to it, okay? But what they have never identified is actual virus in their system. They've never actually been able to find Ebola virus in their cells. Like what you see on the news, people actually are shedding virus. So here's what we don't know. Do dogs experience what we call a transient or flash infection and their body just quickly gets rid of it? Or do they shed virus for a certain period of time? We don't know that. They've never found the virus in their cells.
In other words, the Ebola virus, if theoretically your dog were infected with it, your dog probably isn't going to get sick from it.
That's the key. So we know, number one, they make antibodies, and number two, they don't get sick.
So can a dog go